Hello, welcome to the bonus video for the 612 Birdhouse. This video involves guns. Nail guns, huh? See what I did there? Nail guns. This is totally optional on the 612 Birdhouse, but I kind of think that this area needs some dressing up. So what I've done is I have laser cut some scallops, and you can put that up in the peak. Check out this video to learn how. So the goal of this segment is basically get these things to stay here permanently, and for that you're going to use two things. Number one, you're going to use some glue, and number two, so they'd be held in place, you're going to use, like I said before, the nail gun. Things that kids don't know and some adults don't know about a nail gun: it comes with a safety. Currently you can see I'm not connected to the air hose. So I can tell you safely that in order to actually fire a nail, this part of the gun needs to be depressed, and that happens when you push into a nail. Then when you pull the trigger, it's going to be active and actually fire. So check that out in the next scene. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this first piece. On the back side of it, I'm just running a very, very, very thin bead of glue. At least I'm trying to. Very, very thin. I also like very, very thin on this top edge. Ooh, big chunk. Spread that out. So I'm just going to kind of spread that around. You really don't need much glue to hold something like this together. And I'm kind of feeling a little bit here. I'm putting way more than is necessary, but just wiping the excess off. Again, make sure that you have a paper towel handy that you can use to wipe your fingers off. Same drill over here. This time maybe I'll be a little smarter and just put one bead along the back side, and then maybe I'll spread that out to the other surface that I need it on. So here I go, whoop, and then whoop, and then put that guy in. So in essence, glue would hold it, but like I've said before, I like to overbuild on these things. So next I'm going to take the air gun, or the air nailer, and I am going to put a couple of nails in each piece. So you'll see it coming in here. This is where I'm depressing this down, and I'm shooting the brad kind of in at an angle, and I actually like to get two of them in on each side. It's just tacking that thing into place. So then the last step, I don't care for nail holes. So as you look at this, in the spots that I put a brad nail, there's going to be a little hole. So I'm going to use this product here, and I'm going to fill those nail holes. This stuff is made for outdoor use, so when it gets cold, when it gets wet, it should not come loose. Makes your birdhouse look better overall. Watch how I'm doing this. So right now I'm just decapping this stuff. It's kind of about the consistency of peanut butter. The creamy kind, not the kind with the nuts in it, that's gross. I just put a little dab on your finger, and you want to wipe it flat. Spot like this, I don't really worry about the contract. And kind of work it into each hole, kind of press it down in there, and then make it smooth. Any excess that you have on your finger, good spot for that is in a paper towel, as it turns out. So that's it for the bonus video. This is what it's going to look like when it's done. You get a set of scallops out of the deal. Kind of nice. I think it looks better. Hope you do too. Have a great day. We'll see you later.